Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Oh, I have some coins in my pocket. Let's just get something from the vending machine.
Here. What do you want?
I'll have the sun chips, please.
Okay, C2. Why isn't it working?
I don't know. Ah, what was that? Oh my god.
I think we should go get some help from the classroom.
You bet.
Tessa!
What is it?
We need your help. We need your help. Can you come help us?
Okay, I'm bored anyway, so I'm fine with doing anything.
Here's a coin you could try.
Okay. So I think just go like that and
you should try
that. Oh. Well,
See?
that happened again.
Big fell out of the sky. Hey guys, what you doing? Can you please help us? What do you need help with? The vending machine. I'm so working.
Yeah,
I'll
it's not
help you.
working. And also the coin's stuck in here. There we go.
What have you guys been doing?
We've been doing this, see? See? It always appears from the sky. You can try if you want, but you might not do it.
What do you
she's
want?
not gonna do it. All the sun chips, please.
Okay, you press C2 and you put this in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sun chips. Can I please have one?
Can I have some?
Sure. Thank you.
Action.
I don't know. Quiet on set.
Wait,
Quiet on set.
Quiet on set.
My man started.
Action. Action.
Here, you can try if you want.
What do you want?
All of the sun chips.
Okay, you press
Gonna work.
C2. You put this in here.